I'm gonna make a YouTube video out of it.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, look. Oh yeah. At sign Isabella and Andre are here. My best friend.
Yeah, our YouTube channel is called Isabella and Andre.
Yeah, subscribe to them. It's so cool. Yeah.
Her channel name is Kitty Cat YouTube, but you have to search for her as.
Well, they're already gonna know what my channel is. 'Cause
Oh yeah.
It's my.
Imagine Daisy Amaya hears it.
Imagine. This is her. This is Isabella. Here she is. And Andrea.
Wait, I can't show your face.
Imagine Maya.
Can I show them your beautiful hair though? Your hair? Okay, this is her hair. I can't even see her face.
Do you know I've been in a YouTube short before? Like, do you know my ex-boyfriend is like in some of the most famous YouTube videos? Yeah. Well, not some. I don't even know what the channel is called, but it's like something really big. Okay, we're at that other one was really too long.
We're here. It feels like it's like a whole it feels like a whole concert thing.
Well, the 4th of July is gonna be crazy.
So there's 2 weeks till my birthday.
Yeah. Subscribe to her channel, but
Oh my gosh.
you can
2 at a time.
Subscribe to her channel for sure, but subscribe to my channel if you want, but I already have like 117, so if you don't want to,
Now
that's okay.
subscribe on channel. We only have 21 subscribers.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for 117.
Also, if like you're not subscribed to her, you're like still gonna be missing her YouTube channels.
Yeah, and if you're not subscribed to them,
We only done one video.
yeah, they've only done one video. I think I've
Wait.
done like 5.